In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen capture a Zoom meeting. Before we begin, a quick reminder, always make sure you have permission to capture anything in a meeting. Screenshots can include faces, names, and shared documents, so check any relevant policies and let participants know you'll be taking still images. Let's start by opening the Zoom app. Give it a moment to load and make sure Zoom is visible on the screen you plan to capture. If you want clean, focused screenshots, arrange your workspace now. You can maximize the Zoom window, hide anything you don't want to show, and adjust the layout like speaker view or gallery view, so the screenshot matches what you intend to highlight. Also, consider silencing notifications on your computer for a few minutes so they don't pop up during a capture. Next, start your meeting. This can be your own meeting that you host or a meeting you've joined. Once you're in, check that what you want to capture is clearly visible, the active speaker, the shared screen, or a particular part of the interface, such as the participant thumbnails or the chat pane. If you're capturing slides or a shared app, ask the presenter to hold on a key slide for a second so you can get a crisp image. Little adjustments like making the Zoom window larger or switching to full screen can make your screenshot much clearer. Now choose the tool you'll use to take the screenshot. Popular options include GreenShot,